Hi folks, welcome to another video from the Molten Motor Company. We're really proud to present this car today. Now this is something very special. This is a very low mileage, 27,000 mile from new Jaguar XJS 5.3 V12. Now they're not private plates before anybody asks, they're just showroom plates. It's on a 1990 on a G. Now, this car was owned by Jaguar itself, and last year a gentleman bought it from Jaguar itself, and he run it for a very short space of time while he was getting a brand new E-Type made at Jaguar Heritage. And then of course his Jaguar E-Type got delivered, and he very kindly offered it me. So that's the story with the car. It's got all the history with it. It's got all the original invoices from Jaguar. It's when it was sold a year or so ago. It's got everything with it, the toolkit, the jack. It's got a brand spanking new soft top roof in blue. That's just been done over the last 18 months by Aldrich, who do all the reupholstering. I'm going to be lucky to catch this video before it absolutely slings it down, aren't I? So I better be swift. Right, so it's had a brand new roof, all made to measure, inside and out. It's had a brand new tonneau cover, which is in the bag in the back. Excuse me. That's brand spanking new, made by Aldrich as well. When it came to us, I had the wheels sent away. I had all the lattice spokes powder coated, and I had the rims diamond cut. It's shod with really excellent Pirelli tyres, P600s. It's got its original stripe. It's in glacier white with Isis blue, full leather and Isis blue roof. And it looks absolutely stunning, as you can see. We have got it running so you can hear it. It's just about coming up to temperature now. But this car is absolutely mint. It's not full of filler, it's not been welded, the floors underneath are just like brand spanking new. There's no oil leaks on the car, there's no fluid leaks on the car. We've had it sat in our garage and workshop, we would have soon known. It's been in there for a few weeks, not a drip on the floor. It runs perfectly. It's had the air conditioning overhauled previously by Jaguar. And as you can see at the back, it's absolutely beautiful. Now obviously it's a white car, so you'd be able to see any sort of rusty marks or any imperfections, because it just stand out like a sore thumb. This car is absolutely excellent. As you can see, the rear skirt's beautiful. All the badges have still got the silver on them. The electric aerial works perfectly. I'll show you inside in a second, but I just want you to take a really good look at the outside. It is absolutely perfect. We've done no paint work at the car at all. We've just given it a 5-stage machine polish and 2 ceramic coats. This is really a show winning car. You could take this to any Jaguar event and people would just be absolutely astounded really at how mint this car is. We had all the grill off and cleaned and polished all behind there. We detailed all underneath the bonnet. The original fog lights are all absolutely perfect. The chrome on the back of them is perfect. The front skirt's perfect. As you can see, I'll just put you under there, look. You can see all the backs of the fog lights. This car's never seen rain. It's never been out in any sort of bad environment, or any bad conditions rather. We've fully serviced the car. 2 new air filters, set of plugs, Castrol oil, new wiper blades, greased the whole back end, all the half shaft UJs, everything. We've also given the interior a really deep clean, had all the carpets out, shampooed them all. Look at the look round the door jambs. Look at that. Unbelievable. And in there as well. Absolutely gorgeous. All the wood's perfect in the car. Glove box is perfect, leather's perfect. Look at the leather, Isis blue leather, perfect inside. There's a bit of fluff there, look. Yeah, cubby hole, still got the key for that, and you can see the headliner inside as new. Just got the bonnet up there. As you can see, it runs absolutely perfect like a sewing machine. 5.3 litre V12. Nothing wrong with that. Look in there, let you see. Just really nice car, this. I'll be very selective to who I sell this car to, because this is a once in a lifetime opportunity, I think, really, to buy an XJS that's so original like this, that basically all we've done is just clean it and get the wheels done. And the wheels weren't damaged or anything, it was just because we wanted to diamond turn the rims, because they just look so nice when they're done like that, especially with it being white. It just lifts the car. Right, all the doors closed properly. Now look at this for the boot. Oh, that is a nice tailgate, or a boot lid. Look at that. Beautiful. All inside there's gorgeous. Look, tonneau cover in the bag, spare wheel, full size, jack and wheel brace. You've got your proper Jaguar toolkit. It's not long since I had a battery on it. Lovely. The car drives absolutely faultlessly. It really does. I drove this car for a short period of time when it first came in, and I was just so impressed with it. Electric roof, electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got cruise control. It's got heated seats. It's got trip computer. It's got the original Jaguar radio cassette in there. And it's got obviously air conditioning, heated rear screen. But yeah, all the veneers are perfect, all inlaid in the doors. Lovely XJSs. I'm very biased because I have an XJS myself, but I just love XJSs. The shape of them are absolutely gorgeous, and of course they are a superb investment now. The prices of them are going through the roof. Nice ones, that is, like this, mint ones. Now this car is for sale, and I think whoever sees this car in our showroom will just totally fall in love with the car. It looks so nice on those wheels with that blue roof and the blue leather against the white. Really something special. This car is for sale, and we've got it advertised because we think it's such a fantastic car. There is not a job to do on it. There's no outstanding work. Everything is in top class condition and top class order, and the pedigree of the car, from where it's come from, obviously Jaguar cars. This is a very special car. Find another one. It's 34,995. It won't be long before cars of this quality are making 50k. They're very slowly but surely catching E-type money over the next 5 to 10 years. They've got to be. This car's 1990, so you're on the cheaper road tax. It's not the massive 750 whatever it is, for the XKs, XKRs and stuff like that. This is on the 390 or something like that for the year. But it does want garaging, it does want looking after, it does want buying by somebody who's a Jaguar enthusiast who's going to look after this car, because these cars in this condition like this are so hard to acquire. There's plenty of XJSs about, but not like this. Thanks for watching, folks. Speak to you again soon. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye for now.